My name is William Metier. I am a Nigerian. I wasn't still feeling too okay. So the doctor at NISA suggested that I should say, just ask me a question. Have you ever done a PSA test? I said, what is PSA? I have no idea what PSA is. So, okay, you better go and get a PSA test so that you can check on your prostate. So I said, okay, I'll do that. I went to the laboratory and they did the test on the PSA. And a couple of days later they came back with the result and said the PSA was 11.93 nanogram per milliliter. And I went back to the doctor and said, well, this is the report. He said, 11.93. I said, that is too high. That something was wrong with your prostate. The doctor now said, okay, you know what? It's not too bad, just hold it. After 6 months, you do another PSA. Then we can track it and see whether something is really going wrong. So I waited. In December, I did another set of PSA. And this time it was 16.95. So 16.95, I decided to go to Lagos. I asked my friends, what they thought, who was the best urologist around, and they referred me to a hospital in Lagos. I went and I met the doctor, and he did a DRE, for the first time. The guys in Abuja didn't do a DRE. The guy in Lagos did a DRE and said, oh, you are not too bad, but I feel maybe something on the left side of your prostate. I don't think you should worry. I think you should just do another test in 6 months. And I said to myself, I'm not going to take chances. So while it's in Lagos, I Googled best medical center in the world for prostate. And behold, Herzliya Medical Center popped up. I clicked on it, got all the details, got the email address, got a phone number, and I sent an email to the address. And within hours, I got a reply. And to tell you, within a few more hours, I got a phone call because I had put my phone number in the email. Actually, it was Yifat Mano who called me. So within the next few days anyway, I spoke with Yifat a couple of times. We exchanged emails. And she said, I must come to Israel. Herzliya Medical Center assists prospective patients who are coming here with all logistics, visas, information on airlines, the cheapest airlines, the best route to take, the best times to come, and even with logistics of transfer from the airport to the medical center, and logistics with the place you have to stay. The experience I've had at Herzliya Medical Center is really indescribable, because from the very minute we arrived in Israel on Monday, as soon as I got to Herzliya and checked into the hotel, I came straight to the medical center. And right there, within a few minutes, I was taken to the medical laboratory. Within a few minutes. And this is, for me, really wonderful. I had a blood test, the urine test, all taken, and samples taken. I was told to come back in 2 days' time for the results, at which time I would then see the medical consultant. So everything was well arranged, everything well planned out, and nothing appeared to have been missing. In fact, nothing was missing. So when eventually the results of the blood test and the urine test came out, and I saw the consultant, Dr. Keda, on a Wednesday, he looked at the results and said, well, that this is high for my age. They will have to do a biopsy surgery. I said yes. I didn't have to think about it because I came to Israel to know the truth. Simple as that. I didn't want to take chances, and that's why I came to Israel. And now that I'm here, and the doctor is telling me that that's the only final conclusive thing to be done, I told him, go ahead. So eventually on Friday, I came. I met a couple of people, the anesthesia team, and other professionals. All very professional. Everything was done very professionally, very meticulously. I didn't see any panic anywhere. Everything was really professional. I tell you, I'm very impressed. The team of Herzliya Medical Center is wonderful, coordinated, very professional, and they treat you like a human being. So that puts you at peace. Now, when I say they're professional, you don't need to ask them to do anything. They know already what you expect, and they do it even before you ask. And that is very good for me. Whether it is the accounts people or the finance people, or whether it's the tourist people, or whether it's customer service, or whether it's the consultant, whether it's the lab people, they are always so willing to assist to make sure that you get the best out of your trip to this hospital. And also, I will say that I enjoyed it, even though it's supposed to be a serious problem for me, because I was really panicking. Well, I would say that they put me at ease, and they all did their jobs very, very professionally, very, very well. Thank God, thank the Almighty Father. Today is a great day for me. When you gave me that telephone call and said, "William, I have good news for you," I did not even ask what the good news was. I said, "I am coming." And when I came here and you told me that the results of the biopsy was out and I am cancer-free, it was a great feeling. I really thank the Almighty Father for it. I thank the team of Herzliya Medical Center for their professionalism. I thank them for the best technology they have used in this whole process and the way they have handled us, myself and my wife. Thank you.